Sage, one of the questions I always hear from our viewers is, how can I create that no makeup look?
You know, you want to choose a foundation that is going to look like your skin only at its best.
Yeah, because you don't want to look masked. You want to look real.
Exactly. Yeah, mask is no good. I love CoverGirl True Blend.
Really?
It is fantastic. It's such a beautiful texture. I would love for you to feel it.
I want to try it. Oh, wow.
It has these little color spheres, so it actually merges with your skin tone. So it's like you're wearing nothing at all. It's really lovely. So in the next, we're gonna go into blush.
Okay.
You know, you want your blush to look healthy and radiant. Think of your cheeks as, you know, you would after you've been exercising or if it's a little bit cold.
That healthy flush look.
Healthy, and that's the key, healthy, rosy. Consider the brush you're using. You want something that's going to evenly distribute, something that's gonna give you a sheer application.
So what's after the blush?
Well, we're gonna move into the eye, and because this look really is about casual, easy makeup, this is all about lashes. A product like CoverGirl Lash Perfection, it actually wraps around each lash, so it coats the lash, but they're fun and they're flirty. You know, you wanna bring the attention to the eye, but we're talking about easy, casual makeup.
And then what about lips?
Yeah, so you wanna pick something that's gonna go with your skin tone. CoverGirl Outlast Lip Stain is a great product. It's sheer. It's gonna give that effect that we just talked. Would you like to feel it?
Yeah.
It has this little precise applicator.
Cool.
So you do that, and then you just, and you can see it. You can see your skin through it.
Right.
But it gives you this little punch of color, and it just is going along with this whole theme that we're going for: a casual, easy,
undone
healthy,
makeup look.
Undone makeup look.
Well, wow, that's good. Good tips, Sage.
Thank you very much.
I love them. And these are great solutions for you at home because they're so easy to do by yourself. We hope you enjoy them, and thanks for watching.